As the electric vehicle industry continues to grow, manufacturers face increasing pressure to accelerate production while maintaining quality and reliability. One leading EV manufacturer was struggling with sourcing challenges, including long procurement lead times, inconsistent product availability, and the complexity of managing multiple suppliers. These issues were impacting production schedules and operational efficiency. After understanding the customer's technical requirements and supply chain challenges, E-Control Devices developed a consolidated sourcing strategy backed by engineering expertise. We supplied advanced thermal management materials, EMI, and RFI, shielding solutions, industrial adhesives and tapes, precision cleaning solutions, along with dedicated technical support. By partnering with E-Control Devices, the manufacturer simplified procurement, improved supply chain reliability, reduced lead times, ensured consistent product quality, and accelerated production readiness. This case study demonstrates how the right engineering partner can do more than supply products.